Hello everyone! Are you wondering how often you should take your guinea pig for a vet checkup? Let's find out. Regular veterinary checkups are crucial for maintaining your guinea pig's health. Generally, you should take your guinea pig to the vet at least once a year for a routine health check. During these visits, the vet will examine your guinea pig for any signs of illness, check their teeth, weight, and overall condition, and provide necessary treatments or vaccinations. Young guinea pigs and those with ongoing health issues may require more frequent visits. If you notice any changes in behavior, appetite, or appearance, it's important to schedule an appointment with the vet as soon as possible. Early detection and treatment of health problems can make a significant difference in your guinea pig's well-being. In summary, annual vet checkups are essential for keeping your guinea pig healthy. Regular visits help catch any potential health issues early, ensuring your guinea pig stays happy and thriving. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and support us on Patreon for more educational content about guinea pigs. Goodbye.